Hey guys, it's Video Game Reviews 11 here with a very special, very rare unboxing of the Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time 3D official soundtrack. This soundtrack was only released to the people who bought the game, the Ocarina of Time 3D, and registered their game to Club Nintendo within the first week of its release, so it is very rare. I will now open up the package. And there it is. Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time 3D official soundtrack. It has a very nice cover of Link fighting Ganondorf. I'll open the soundtrack. And there it is. Very nice disc. Resembles Legend of Zelda 25th anniversary. And here's the notes. It's sort of a poster. Very cool. This is a very cool item. A rare item that I'm glad that I got. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. The video of The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time 3D official soundtrack.